Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that has been gaining traction: making money with Amazon affiliate marketing in 2024. If you've ever wondered how to turn your online presence into a source of income, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, specifically focusing on how you can leverage Amazon's vast marketplace to earn commissions on products you love. We'll cover essential strategies that can help you maximize your earnings, from choosing the right niche to creating compelling content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, our tips will be tailored to suit all experience levels. Get ready to discover effective techniques that can transform your passion for products into a profitable venture. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate the Amazon affiliate program and implement strategies that can lead to real income. So, stick around as we unlock the secrets to successful affiliate marketing in 2024. Understanding Amazon affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. In the e-commerce landscape, it plays a crucial role, allowing content creators, bloggers, and influencers to monetize their platforms by recommending products they genuinely believe in. This model benefits both the affiliate and the retailer, creating a win-win situation that drives sales and increases brand visibility. Amazon stands out as a leading affiliate program, offering a vast selection of products across countless categories. With millions of items available, affiliates can easily find products that align with their niche and audience interests. The Amazon Associates program is user-friendly, making it accessible for anyone looking to start their affiliate marketing journey. The potential earnings for affiliates can be significant. Depending on the product category, commissions can range from 1% to 10% or more, allowing dedicated marketers to generate substantial income. Additionally, affiliates benefit from Amazon's trusted reputation, which can lead to higher conversion rates. By promoting products through unique affiliate links, marketers can earn money not just from the items they recommend, but also from any other purchases made during the same shopping session. This opens up exciting opportunities for earning passive income online. Setting up your Amazon affiliate account. Creating your Amazon affiliate account is a straightforward process that can set you on the path to earning money online. First, visit the Amazon Associates homepage and click on the Join Now for Free button. You'll need to log in with your existing Amazon account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, fill out the application form with your account information, including your website or social media links where you plan to promote products. Selecting a niche is crucial for better targeting. By focusing on a specific area, such as tech gadgets, home decor, or fitness products, you can attract a dedicated audience interested in those topics. This targeted approach increases the likelihood of conversions, as your recommendations will resonate more with your viewers. After submitting your application, you'll enter the approval process. Amazon typically reviews your account within a few days. To improve your chances of getting accepted, ensure your website or social media profiles have quality content and a clear focus. Additionally, make sure to include your affiliate links in your content soon after approval, as Amazon requires you to generate sales within the first 180 days to maintain your account. Following these steps will help you successfully set up your Amazon affiliate account and start your journey in affiliate marketing. Choosing the right products to promote. Selecting the right products to promote is a critical step in your Amazon affiliate journey. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to research trending products that are currently in demand. Keeping an eye on market trends can help you identify items that are gaining popularity, allowing you to position yourself ahead of the competition. One effective strategy is to utilize tools like Amazon Bestsellers, which showcases the top-selling products across various categories. This resource not only highlights what's popular, but also provides insights into consumer preferences. Additionally, consider using tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10, which can help you analyze sales data and identify high-converting items that align with your niche. Another important factor to consider is the quality of the products you choose to promote. Focus on items with good reviews and ratings, as these are more likely to convert into sales. Products with a high number of positive reviews indicate customer satisfaction, which can enhance your credibility as an affiliate. By prioritizing trending, high-converting products with excellent ratings, you'll be well on your way to building a successful affiliate marketing strategy that resonates with your audience. Creating engaging content. To drive traffic and conversions as an Amazon affiliate, creating engaging content is essential. There are various content formats you can explore, including blogs, videos, and social media posts. Each format has its unique advantages. For instance, blogs allow for in-depth product reviews, while videos can showcase products in action, making them more relatable. Social media posts can quickly capture attention and encourage immediate engagement, so consider using a mix of these formats to reach a broader audience. In addition to diverse formats, the importance of SEO and keyword optimization cannot be overstated. Researching relevant keywords related to your niche will help your content rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find your recommendations. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your titles, headings, and throughout your content to enhance visibility. Lastly, authenticity is key. Sharing personal experiences with the products you promote builds trust with your audience. When viewers see that you genuinely use and appreciate a product, they are more likely to consider your recommendations. By combining engaging content formats, effective SEO strategies, and authentic storytelling, you can create compelling content that drives traffic and boosts conversions for your Amazon affiliate marketing efforts. Promoting your affiliate links. Effectively promoting your affiliate links is crucial for maximizing your earnings. One of the most powerful methods is leveraging social media platforms. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok, these platforms offer vast audiences eager for recommendations. Create engaging posts that showcase the products you're promoting, using eye-catching visuals and compelling captions. Don't forget to include your affiliate links in your bio or posts, making it easy for followers to click through and make a purchase. Another effective strategy is email marketing. Building an email list allows you to connect directly with your audience, providing a personal touch. Send out newsletters featuring product recommendations, exclusive deals, or helpful tips related to your niche. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also encourages them to click on your affiliate links, driving traffic and potential sales. Additionally, consider collaborating with influencers in your niche. Partnering with influencers can significantly expand your reach, as they often have established audiences that trust their recommendations. By working together on product reviews, giveaways, or joint promotions, you can tap into their follower base and increase your visibility. By utilizing social media, email marketing, and influencer collaborations, you can effectively promote your affiliate links and boost your income potential. Tracking performance and optimizing strategies. To succeed in affiliate marketing, tracking your performance is essential. Utilizing tools like Amazon's built-in reporting dashboard allows you to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings in real time. Additionally, third-party analytics tools such as Google Analytics can provide deeper insights into your traffic sources and user behavior. By understanding where your clicks are coming from and which products are converting, you can make informed decisions about your marketing strategies. Analyzing this data is crucial for refining your approach. Look for patterns in your performance metrics. Identify which content formats or promotional methods yield the best results. This analysis will help you focus your efforts on what works, allowing you to optimize your strategies for better outcomes. Moreover, the affiliate marketing landscape is constantly evolving, so continuous learning and adaptation are vital. Stay updated on market trends, consumer preferences, and new tools that can enhance your marketing efforts. Engage with online communities, attend webinars, and read industry blogs to keep your knowledge fresh. By consistently tracking your performance, analyzing data, and adapting to changes, you'll be well equipped to maximize your affiliate marketing success and drive sustainable growth in your income. Conclusion: in this video, we've explored the exciting world of making money with Amazon affiliate marketing. We started by understanding what affiliate marketing is and how Amazon's program stands out in the e-commerce landscape. We then discussed the importance of selecting the right products to promote, emphasizing the need for research, and focusing on high-quality items with good reviews. Creating engaging content was another key point, where we highlighted the various formats you can use, such as blogs and videos, along with the importance of SEO and authenticity. We also covered effective methods for promoting your affiliate links, including leveraging social media, email marketing, and collaborating with influencers. Finally, we discussed the significance of tracking your performance and optimizing your strategies to ensure ongoing success. Now that you have these valuable insights, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear about your experiences with affiliate marketing, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to explore our related content for more tips and strategies to enhance your affiliate marketing journey. Thank you for watching and happy marketing!